Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith and today I have the FabFitFun Summer 2023 box to unbox with you. This is returning to the channel. So as you know, if you've been following for a long time, I have been a seasonal member in the past for FabFitFun. Just being fully upfront and transparent with you, they did send this to me for free for review and to unbox with you and share my honest opinion. And as you know, I was a seasonal member, so I can give you all my honest opinion about being a seasonal member. They also gave me a little bit of a code and a discount for you. So if you use my code EatStretchExplore, it'll get you 20% off your first new seasonal membership. So that'll bring your box price down to about $47.99. And then you can also use the link below if you want to use that. I will get a small commission, I believe, for referring you, but just letting you know that. The typical seasonal membership price is going to be $59.99 per season, and that's going to be 4 boxes per year. You can get a little bit of a discount by paying up front, and your per box price will drop down to $54.99, but you will pay $219.99 up front. So I think those are the main things I wanted to tell you. There's some other benefits, including that you can do shop member only sales. So I do have some walkthroughs from previous member only sales that I was able to get into, things like that. And then they also have a new feature, which is the swap for credit that you can do for seasonal boxes and also annual boxes, where you can swap for a credit in the member only sale for that season. Similar to when I was a seasonal member in the past, some of the options for each of the customizations was sold out at this particular time, but it was okay because I was able to find some items that I actually enjoyed from the spoilers that I was able to see. Also, let me know if you want me to bring back my spoiler videos for FabFitFun. I did it for a while, but honestly, it was just a lot. So let me know because I do work full-time and stuff like that. So this is what the box looks like. They did update it and it's like now easily recyclable, because in the past it was like glossy and it was a lot nicer, like construction and stuff, but it's harder to recycle, and I always recycle my boxes. Also, full disclosure, summer is not my favorite season because I am a very sweaty Betty, so let's just get into this to see what I was able to choose. So these are all going to be full-size items in here, and again, I was able to choose my items. There are 6 categories, so as an annual member you're able to customize each of the categories, but as a seasonal member you're only able to customize a few of them. So this is something interesting on the top here, scratch and match. It looks like there is a little bit of a game. So it says, let's dive in, summer has arrived. Let's see. So they apparently have stopped, I think I remember that from in the past, giving the booklet with all of the information for all of the options. So you do have to scan here, but luckily I did write down what I chose and what the values are, so you're not going to see me scrambling here on my computer trying to look for things. On the other side, it does look like they have a scratch off, so I will be doing that, but it'll be on my vlog, so look for that in 2024. Sorry, I'm very behind. But yeah, also let me know if you want me to do my Korea vlogs up front if you watch my vlogs. But anyway, I'm going to just jump in. So the first item from customization 1, I remember what I chose, and I was actually quite excited when this was still available, because when I was watching the customizations on Instagram, I was like, dang, I really want that. It's this white box. So this one is actually a Kate Spade pitcher and cup set, so let me open it up. Okay, so as you see, it's packaged really well. Again, this is a Kate Spade pitcher and cup set for summer. Honestly, summer is the same as like any other season here because I don't have a pool or anything. But this one is a plastic pitcher set. Again, I thought it would be really nice because I don't really have any pitchers. So I've been wanting to make tea and keep it in my fridge because of summer. So I thought this was a good option, but also if you have a pool and stuff, it's nice because it's plastic. This is what it looks like, and again, it has 2 cups and a pitcher, and this is going to be a $38.95 retail value. In terms of my Meredith value, I'd probably give it about a $20 value because I was scoping out similar items at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx, but this one is a little bit thicker plastic than some of the other ones, and I also like the glossy plastic versus some of the matte plastic, just in terms of cleaning and stuff. You can rotate the lid so it doesn't always pour out and stuff like that, and again, it comes with 2 stackable glasses on the inside. Next up is customization 2. So this one, I was kind of looking at some of the other items, but they were all sold out by the time I was able to choose. So I did choose a skincare item, but as you know, and as you can see back there, I have plenty of skincare items, but this one I've heard really good things about and I haven't been able to try it yet. This is the First Aid Beauty firming cream with peptides, niacinamide, and collagen, and it's safe for sensitive skin. So this is obviously a full-size product. With FabFitFun, everything is going to be full size. It says apply to face and neck twice daily in the AM and PM. Use alone or over a serum. So it does not seem to have any added fragrance or anything. It does have some licorice extract and other like sort of extracts in here. So definitely take a closer look if you are sensitive to to anything, but that is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have quite a few moisturizers open, but this is what it looks like. It comes in a glass container. So this has a $44 value, so this basically is already paid for the entire box. I did assign it a Meredith value of about $20 because I do scope out TJ Maxx quite often, and this sort of level of product is usually about 15 to 20 bucks. And I do think I've seen First Aid Beauty in the past for like $19.99 or something like that. So I'm very excited to have had this in here. The per item price is pretty good here because again, each item you get 6 categories. It's going to be about $10 per item if you pay the full price for the seasonal box. So if you use my discount, it's even cheaper. So obviously this one is worth more than $10 for me. So this next product I'm actually quite excited by. I know I was trying not to get skincare, but honestly that's the most exciting thing to me. But this particular brand I love. So I love Volition. I bought it actually in a FabFitFun sale in the past, and the snow mushroom serum is so good. So if you see that, definitely pick it up. This is the Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum from Volition. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm very excited to try it out. And this is full size. It's 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. It says, what if your most powerful source of vitamin C wasn't from an orange? This visibly brightens, hydrates skin for a visibly plumper appearance, helps enhance skin's natural complexion, helps reduce excess oil, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So you apply a pea-sized amount twice daily to your face, neck, and décolletage. So I'm very excited to use this, and it says, straight from the stem, strawberries contain more vitamin C than oranges. Harness the berry's benefits to deposit a higher concentration of vitamin C. This fruit helps promote collagen production and reduce excess oil to reveal radiant, glowing skin. So I'm very excited for this. So let me open it up. I'm not going to use it right now because again, I have so many serums open because I love skincare. Let me know if you want me to pepper in some more of my skincare reviews within my vlogs. It's kind of a milky color. And the consistency is actually quite thick for a serum, if you see that in there. It's not super duper watery, so I do appreciate that sort of texture because I was like, how can a pea-sized amount cover my entire face, because I have a big face, you know. But yeah, that's probably why, because it's quite thick. So I'm very excited to try this out, and again, I love Volition products. So this is going to be $44 value, and again, I gave it about a $20 value because again, TJ Maxx sort of price comparisons. So already I paid for my entire box with these first 3 items, and I still have 3 to go. This is going to be for customization 4, so this one was a little bit rough for me, not gonna lie. I'm being completely transparent with you. There were a few products that I kind of wanted to try out. It was a lot of hair products in there, but honestly they were sold out. So I did choose this one because out of the options remaining, this was going to be the most useful for me, even though it's a little bit odd. But it's only odd for me in my lifestyle because I often do not wear hats because my head is such a weird shape. I can't usually buy hats, but recently I just got back from a Caribbean cruise in February, so I guess it wasn't that recent. And I did buy a hat for the first time, and I've been kind of liking it, but this one I think is going to be good. So basically my head is just very round and very small actually. Even though my face is big, my head is actually quite small. So since this is a visor, I figured I would be able to fit size. I'm not going to put it on right now because like I'm not really wearing makeup, but I also like don't want to have a red spot on my head, but you can imagine what this looks like. So I think it'll be really nice for summer and stuff like that. And also I'm going on another Caribbean cruise later in the year, so I figured this will be nice. Plus, since it's a visor and it can roll up really easily, it won't get flattened in my suitcase like my hat did. But yes, this actually has a $35 value retail, but I would give it probably about a $10 to $15 value. So yeah. This is what it looks like, and honestly, now that I'm feeling it, it probably feels more like a $10 value than a $15 value. So when I was doing my TJ Maxx research, I was coming up with 15, but this feels like a 10. This next one here is something somewhat also outside of my lifestyle. So this product here is a little bit outside of my character because it's like so printed. I'm a very much a minimal sort of neutral color person, but basically I really needed a new card case, and this one actually seemed like it was going to be a pretty good option. Basically my other one, the keychain thing is breaking, so that one was Coach. This one is Lily Pulitzer, and this one is $19.95. I would probably give this about a $10 value. So it does have a little bit of a pouch here, and then you can also put your ID back here in the window. So this one honestly is kind of like a nylon feel. I don't know if you can hear that. So it's like very different than my other one, but I figured this one will be nice also for vacation and stuff because it's not leather. This is going to be for customization 6. So this is the Rodeo hyaluronic drink, the dragon blood one. So I've actually seen people unbox this PR box like a long time ago, and I've been really curious about it. So when I saw this as one of the options, I was kind of hoping to see it. This is the hyaluronic drink, and it says hydrate and tone. So I did choose this item, and this actually has a $52 value, which is quite high for customization 6. Let me know if I'm wrong about that, but it seems high to me. So I'd probably give this again like a $20 value because of, again, research from TJ Maxx. But yeah, Rodeo is usually pretty expensive, and I've tried some of the products in the past, and it does work pretty well with my skin. So I'm quite excited by this. It says a super hydrating lightweight face mist. So I do like using face mist in the summer. So again, this seemed like a pretty good theme for summer because you can just spritz it. It's really refreshing, and it's kind of nice to touch up your makeup and stuff. Because like when you're outside, you're kind of sweaty, you know, and then it kind of gets clumpy, your makeup. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, this one is going to be the final product in the box. So my overall review is that I'm actually going to get a lot of good use out of these products, and actually it was pretty well themed to summer. I was a little bit hesitant when I did get the email about them wanting to send me a box because I wanted to give like a full honest opinion about it as a seasonal perspective, because that's kind of what I've done in the past, and I think this is a pretty good perspective about that. The only thing was that I was able to choose those last 2 customizations. Overall, my Meredith value was at $100, which is more than that $59.99 per box seasonal price. So let me know below what you think about my box and what you're able to get in your box, because I do know a lot of annual members were able to choose a lot more high value items. I think there was some Briogeo products. I believe there was a couple of other high value skincare products as well, and there was also a really nice carafe and cup set from Jonathan Adler, I believe. I can't remember. It was a really nice blue, and I was kind of curious about it, but honestly the plastic pitcher is probably more my lifestyle because I really wanted stuff for in the fridge, you know. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and again, feel free to use my code EatStretchExplore for 20% off your first seasonal box, and also use my link below. Thank you again for watching. I will have a lot more unboxings and other vlogs and stuff on my channel, and I will also be working on my spoiler videos, so definitely consider subscribing and putting the bell icon on, and also follow me over on Instagram at EatStretchExplore. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.